Hi Internet! Today we'll have a look at MIXAP, how it works and what you can do with it. So first off, MIXAP is a tool to help you build augmented reality activities that you then can share with students or educators. But of course, MIXAP isn't limited to school settings. But because it was designed for it, it has a nice and simple design. MIXAP is free and can be used by anyone. So starting off, when you first open the website, you can directly use the web app to design your activities. Ideally, you use a Chrome browser, since that's what MIXAP is developed with. On the top, we have some basic interface elements, allowing us to change the interface language, connect ourselves, and changing some settings. Having an account will allow you to take your collection of created activities everywhere, which is super handy, but also allows you to share activities. In the settings, you can define how AI-generated content should be produced, since that is a feature of MIXAP. The version is important when you encounter a bug, and send us a mail so we have some context. You also have a bin where activities land when you delete them. Beneath we have 3 buttons, which is all we need to create augmented content. MIXAP has 2 types of content, activities and learning paths. Activities are the basic building blocks where you define one physical element to augment, and then you can combine these building blocks afterwards in learning paths. As you can see, I don't need an account to create content. So, will you lose your content once you close your browser? No, the content is saved in the browser on the device you are using. This means content without account belongs to the device. This allows MIXAP to be used even without internet, which is very handy during school trips or in areas without network coverage. Obviously, if you want to share activities, you need to have an account. So using MIXAP without account is limited, but ideal for tablets that you hand out to students. They don't need to log in and can play activities. Now, how do you share activities with your students? You can see each activity has a cloud button. Clicking it will allow you to generate a QR code. If you want others to have the possibility to modify the copy of your activity, you create a template code. If it's only for playing the activity, you can share a read-only code prohibiting any modification. In class, you can then just project the QR code with your beamer and let students scan it using the import button or sharing the link. So that's actually all you need to know to start using MIXAP. We'll dive into the specifics of activity building, learning paths, and some specific content creation in other tutorials. See you there!